What's making all these words fall out so easily? No use trying to hold it back. Why not make this moment last? Just be with me, right here with me. Close, so close. Hearts wide open. Safe in your arms. I will always be lost in your love, where you'll find me. That's where I'll
Good, looking good.
always be. We could both be worlds apart, but I would never feel that far away from you. 'Cause what we have is strong enough to reach over the clouds above and pull us through, right out the blue. Safe in your arms, I will always be lost in your love, where you'll find me. That's where I'll always be.
Yes, we did.
Oh my God, it's so beautiful.
Hi, Travi.
Hi. Oh my God, look at you.
Are we supposed to kiss?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't care. You look amazing.
Lost in your love, where you'll find me. That's where I'll always be.
Katherine, since we first met, I've always said, stick with me and you'll go places you've never been before. And now I stand here in front of you and say, stand beside me and we'll go places we've never been before. Katherine, you are my everything. At one point in my life, I never thought I could feel the way you make me feel right now. My promise to you is always stand beside you, never let you walk in this life alone, be your biggest supporter, always hold your hand in good times and the bad, and always be that straight line to those sometimes not always calm waters. I love you so much, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Travis, today's the day I've been dreaming of my whole life. Today's the day I get to marry the man of my dreams. It sounds so cliche, but I truly knew you were the one since the very first date. From this day forward, I vow to be faithful to you at all times and to love you unconditionally. I vow to always support you, your career, and your crazy ideas, sometimes. I vow to always put the needs and wants of the tribe first. I vow to always be patient with you and to put God at the forefront of our marriage. I cannot wait to start this next chapter of our lives and to give our parents those 5 robo boys they've been hoping for. I love you.
I love you too.
Travis and Katherine, you may now share a passionate and explosive kiss.
You fake a smile for the summer. How comes alive in the winter? I still swear I smell you a hint of vanilla. Sunday rides, a side drives.
So just a little advice is just stay committed to each other, respect each other, try not to be mad at the same time, and tell each other numerous times a day that you love them, and treat each other with respect and love, and make sure your dad is your number one.
Say you will come, 'cause they're the same locks on the doors, and I'm home waiting even after all this time. Even after all this high, been waiting for your heart. So
Greg may not know how to play video games or understand them, but you have married a man who is just like Father, and that is a blessing. I know he will be there for you always, try to play the peacemaker in situations, and love you unconditionally, just like Dad does. Travis, I pray that you treat my sister like the princess she knows that she is, and love her through good times and bad. Here's to a lifetime of happiness, boat rides, and endless love.
show me the worst. Tell me the worst of it all. Let me get caught up in all the places you've been, and I'll try to forgive it all. Oh, to my love, say you will shelter your heart. Say you will come. It's you and I and the same crimes, and the only way that we know we're singing. Even after all this time, even after all.
I knew once Travis stopped spending his weekends with the boys frolfing, playing video games, drinking, or going to the gym, and instead spending his weekends going to Rochester with Katie and her family and going on little adventures. I knew that they had something special, and I could see this day was coming a mile away. And I just want you guys to know that I love you, and I wish nothing but the best in life and marriage for you guys.